Okay, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
It's an unpopular opinion. I'm called the Deputy Jesus, and this program is called Moment of Unquestionable Truth, where we say the place between truth and lies. So what I'm doing now, I'm going to ask you a question. Between your relationship, a rich boyfriend, a rich boyfriend, and your contacts, meaning your phone number, which one is more important to you? Which one, if you lose them, you go pain you well?
My contact.
Seriously?
Yes.
Why do you think so? Can't you replace the contact when you lose it?
You can't replace some other people's contacts. Like when you lose your contact, you can't get it back. And it may be very important for you. Like it happened to me last year when I lost my phone, I lost my SIM card. I looked for some of my friends, I couldn't find them until now. I've not gotten in touch with them, so it's really painful.
So what if you're in love with this guy in the relationship and you're about to lose him?
Hey God.
between him and your phone number, now who will you now choose?
My contacts. Really.
See your contact?
Yes.
Contact fire poverty. Okay, thank you very much. What I have for you is this: between your phone number and your relationship, that is between your contacts and your girlfriend, which one is more important to you?
It's my girlfriend, sir. My girlfriend.
Your girlfriend?
Yes.
So you be more angry when you lose your girlfriend than when you lose your phone?
My phone, my girlfriend, because if I lose her, as in the things that she showing me, the things where she show me, as in I no go if I no go see the one where you go show me back, as in show me the love where she dey show me. You understand? As in if I don't see the person.
Her own should be special. Okay.
Yes.
You don't want to lose that special love.
Yes.
But you can lose the phone number and get it back again.
Yeah. You go retrieve her now. Go renew the SIM back now. If you go do her back.
Okay. Thank you, yeah?
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, this is a different opinion, and I like it. People don't value relationship anymore again. We are all running after materialistic things. People now value their phone contacts more than love and relationship. Therefore, if you see anybody that want to hold on to you tight, that don't want to lose you, please hold on to that person tight back, whether it's male or female, because relationship are scarce these days. I'm out of here.